Here we go. This is part 21 of creepiest things that have happened to me as a nurse. I can't believe we're here already. Once upon a time on a night shift, a patient had passed and they had like a priest come and give them their last rites or whatever they do in Catholicism. And so the priest was like sprinkling holy water after the family members had said goodbye, and it was just me and the body and the priest. And he was like sprinkling holy water like around the room, and then he sprinkled holy water like towards the patient's head area, and all of the alarms started going off. Like the tele alarm went off, the bed alarm went off, and like if you know when you pull the call bell light out of the wall, that alarm went off too. Oh, I was so freaked out. I backed out of the room and I forgot the door was closed, so I backed into the door and then I opened it behind me and then I backed out of the room. And I could like never really make eye contact with that priest again because he probably thought I was like the devil or something. I was just so freaked out. It was like my second year of nursing.